Hey everyone, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Wi-Fi connectivity issue on your iPhone 16 Pro. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is go ahead and pull down the control menu, put your phone on airplane mode briefly, and turn it off, and then try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi. That does a quick network refresh, so if you're having issues, go ahead and check that. Now, next thing you can do is that if you're looking to connect to one that you already connected, just simply go ahead and click on forget this device, and then go ahead and reconnect to that device again, and that should help as well. Now, if that isn't working for you, the next thing you want to do is go into your settings, go to general, scroll down where it says transfer reset iPhone, click on reset, and you want to do a network reset, which will reset all of your saved Wi-Fi and connections that you ever had, and basically you'll reconnect again. This will not delete any of your data. Simply just gonna go ahead and do this for about 10-15 seconds or so. Basically, you'll see the Apple logo flash, deleting all of those Wi-Fi connection and also the Bluetooth connection. You'll simply just go ahead and reconnect again. So we're gonna go ahead and check to make sure that it does that. Again, this method is safe, will not delete any of your data. So we're gonna wait here for the Apple logo to appear. And now after you do this and you're still having an issue, the next troubleshooting steps that you want to do, it's going to be around your VPN. So VPN is known to interfere with Wi-Fi connection. So I recommend is going to your settings, going to general, and then you're going to look for your VPN and device management. So if you're using a VPN here, first thing is I recommend is turning off the VPN and seeing if you can connect to your Wi-Fi. Now, if you find that you can connect, it's most likely the VPN. I'd recommend is deleting the VPN, connect to Wi-Fi, and if that works, that's good. And if you want to reuse a VPN, go ahead and set it up again. Along with that, it's going to be a bug fix that might be coming out for this. It seems like a VPN on the Wi-Fi on the 16 Pro does have issues. So in the coming days, you should see it in the settings. Go to general, and then in the software update, check for update. Of course, you might have to update your phone through your computer if you can't do that, or if you see that unable to check update because you're not connected to your Wi-Fi. But essentially, you'll want to go ahead and update your phone to fix any bug that is causing the Wi-Fi issue on your iPhone. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.